Hello guys and welcome. It's Engineering Rebel, and in this video I'm going to show you guys on how to use a breadboard and how to adjust the brightness of an LED. Now I'm sure you guys remember sometime back I made a board just like this one with a single LED, a single resistor, and a single switch. This one has 3 LEDs, 3 resistors, a brightness controller, and a switch. Now before I start, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and also please join my Patreon at Engineering Rebel. All your best efforts go towards my channel and making projects like these possible. So let's begin. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is how the voltage changes when you turn the dial on the controller. So I have my multimeter set up along with both of the leads, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the dial. Now when I go ahead and increase the brightness, you can see that the voltage jumps up to 7.8 volts. Now that's because the controller is allowing more flow of voltage, and the more voltage you apply to the LED, the brighter it will be. The same is when you go to lower the brightness. When I go ahead and lower the brightness, you can see on the multimeter the voltage drops. That's because the controller is limiting the voltage. And when I go to rise it back up, again, it reads about 7 volts. In order to do this project, you will need a little switch like this one, a controller, 3 LEDs, any color of your choice will work, some wires like this with ends that have these little metal prongs, 3 resistors, 2 20 ohm resistors if you're going to use a 9 volt battery, which I recommend, and a breadboard. Unlike one of these green boards, a breadboard does not need any soldering equipment. All you need is your component, and all you would do is to put it into these little holes. These little holes have little metal grabbers, so it would grab your component in place, and as you could see, it doesn't fall out. You can also see that there are positive and negative terminals. That's where you would attach the batteries, and that's where these wires with the metal prongs would become useful. So you would put, like, let's say the black wire for the negative terminal and the positive, and the red for the positive, and then you would just hook this up to your battery. So now we're going to build our circuit, and just like our last one, we're going to make sure that it creates a nice closed circuit and that there are no shorts. Let's test to see if it works. So let me attach the leads. Yeah, success, it works. Let's see if the controller works. Yeah. And let's see if it turns off as well. Yeah, turns off as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. More awesome videos are to come, so please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out, along with the bell. I will see you guys in the next one.